Welcome back to another episode of Simple English Space, your comfy corner to learn English through real conversations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Steven. Today, we have a fun and useful topic for you: how to order food at a restaurant.
Yes, this is something we all need in real life. Whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just practicing English, this is a great skill to have.
Exactly. We'll start simple with how to ask for a table, look at the menu, and then how to place your order politely.
Let's imagine we're going to a restaurant together, Stephen.
Sure. So we walk into a restaurant, and the host says, "Hello, how can I help you?"
And I might say, "Hi, we'd like a table for two, please."
Perfect. That's the most common way to ask for a table. Let's repeat it together. A table for two, please.
You can also change the number, a table for four or a table for one. It's simple, right?
Very simple. Then the host might say, "Right this way," or "Please follow me," and they show you to your table.
Now you're sitting down and the waiter gives you the menu. What can you say?
You can say "Thank you" and take a look. If you need more time, you can say, "Can I have a few more minutes?"
Or if you're ready to order, you can say, "I'm ready to order." Easy.
Yes, but before that, let's look at the menu. Maybe you see these words: appetizers, main course, and dessert.
Appetizers are small dishes you eat before the main meal, like soup, salad, or spring rolls.
Main course means the big meal. For example, grilled chicken, pasta, or a burger.
And dessert is something sweet at the end, like ice cream, cake, or pudding.
Yum. Okay, now let's imagine I'm the waiter and you're the customer.
Great, let's try it.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That was perfect. Did you hear how Anna said, "I'll have"?
Yes, I'll have is a polite and common way to order food. It means I want, but in a nicer way.
You can also say, "I'd like." For example, "I'd like the pasta." It's short for "I would like."
Let's practice. Stephen, what would you like to eat?
"I'd like the beefsteak with mashed potatoes, please."
And what would you like to drink?
"I'll have an orange juice, please."
Nice. So you can mix them. I'd like or I'll have.
Exactly. Now, what if you don't understand something on the menu?
Good question. You can ask the waiter, "What is this?" or "What's in this dish?"
For example, "What's in the chicken curry?" Or "Is this spicy?"
Or even, "Is this vegetarian if you don't eat meat?"
Let's imagine that. I'll be the waiter again.
Okay.
"Hello, are you ready to order?"
Almost. What's in the vegetable soup?
It has carrots, potatoes, onions, and celery.
Sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
Great. I'll have the vegetable soup and a lemonade.
Perfect. You asked about the dish, checked if it's spicy, then ordered. That's very useful in real life.
Now, let's talk about special requests. Sometimes you want something changed, like no onions or extra cheese.
Yes, you can say, "Can I have the burger with no onions?" Or "Can I have extra cheese on the pizza?"
Let's try a few examples.
Sure. "Can I have the pasta without cheese?" Or "Can I get my steak well done?"
That's great. Asking politely is important. Using "can I" is very helpful.
Now, after you order, the waiter brings your food. You can say, "Thank you," or "It looks great."
And if there's a problem, stay calm. You can say, "Excuse me, I think this is not what I ordered."
Or Excuse me, this is too cold. Can you please warm it up?
Yes, it's okay to ask. Just be polite.
After eating, it's time to ask for the bill. What do you say, Anna?
You can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Or, "Could we get the check, please?"
In the UK, they say bill, and in the US, people often say check, but both are correct.
Then you pay. Sometimes you can pay by card or cash. You can ask, "Do you take cards?"
Or, can I pay by cash? If you're with friends, you might want to split the bill.
Yes, you can ask, "Can we split the bill?" That means each person pays their part.
After paying, don't forget to say, thank you, the food was great.
And if the service was good, leave a tip, maybe 10% or more, depending on the country.
Now, let's do a full role play. I'll be the customer, and you be the waiter.
Good evening. Table for one?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a lemonade, please.
Great. Are you ready to order?
I think so. What's in the chicken sandwich?
It comes with grilled chicken, lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise.
Sounds good. Can I have it without mayonnaise?
Sure. One chicken sandwich, no mayo. Anything else?
That's all for now. Thank you.
How was that?
That felt natural. Listeners, you can try it too. You can even write your own role play and practice with a friend.
Yes, it's a great way to build confidence. Start simple and repeat until you're comfortable.
You can even record yourself and listen to how you sound. It helps a lot. So, Stephen, what's your favorite dish to order at a restaurant?
Hmm. I love spaghetti bolognese. What about you?
I really like grilled salmon with vegetables. Healthy and delicious.
Nice. So let's try ordering our favorites.
Okay, I'll go first.
Hello, what would you like today?
I like the grilled salmon with vegetables and a glass of water.
Very healthy. Coming right up.
Your turn. Hi there. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the spaghetti bolognese and a glass of iced tea, please.
Good choice. I'll bring it to you soon. Perfect. See? Just a few phrases and you can handle it easily. Let's review the key phrases before we continue. All right, let's go over some important phrases one more time.
Yes, repeat after us, listeners. This is your turn to speak.
A table for two, please.
I'm ready to order.
I'll have the grilled chicken.
Can I have it without onions?
What's in this dish?
Is it spicy?
Can I get the check, please?
Do you take cards?
Can we split the bill?
Great job! If you repeat those, you're getting better and better.
Now, let's talk about restaurant etiquette. That means good behavior when eating out.
For example, when the waiter comes to your table, it's polite to look at them and smile.
Yes, and always say please and thank you. It makes a big difference.
If you're not ready to order, don't panic. Just say, "I need a few more minutes."
That's a great tip. And when you want to get the waiter's attention, just raise your hand a little and say, "Excuse me."
Never shout. Always stay polite and calm, even if the food is not perfect.
Exactly. Now, what about fast food restaurants? Things are a bit different there.
Yes, in fast food places, you usually go to the counter to order.
Let's imagine that now. I'll be the cashier at a fast food restaurant.
Great, let's do it.
Hi, welcome to Burger Spot. Can I take your order?
Hi, I'll have a burger, small fries, and a cola, please.
Is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
That'll be $5. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Card, please.
See, it's fast and simple. The key phrases there were I'll have, for here or to go, and cash or card.
Also notice, "Can I take your order?" You'll hear that a lot in restaurants.
Let's practice some more. Anna, what would you say if you want to ask for a recommendation?
Good one. I could say, What do you recommend?
Yes, the waiter might say, "Our pasta is very popular," or "The steak is our special today."
Then you can say, okay, I'll try the pasta. Or, sounds good, I'll have that.
What about when something is too expensive? You might want to ask for something cheaper.
You could say, do you have anything less expensive? Or, what's your cheapest dish?
But again, be polite. Smile. Tone is important than English.
Right. Now, let's talk about allergies. If you can't eat something, you must say it clearly.
Yes, you can say, "I'm allergic to peanuts," or "I can't eat dairy."
Or even, does this have nuts? Or, is there any milk in this dish?
Safety first. Always check if you have a food allergy.
Let's do a quick example.
Hi there. What can I get you today?
Before I order, I'm allergic to peanuts. Does the noodle dish have peanuts?
Let me check. No, it doesn't. It's safe.
Great. I'll have the noodles, please.
Nice. That's clear and helpful. Always tell the restaurant if you have allergies.
Another useful phrase is, I'm vegetarian, or I don't eat pork.
Then the waiter can guide you to the right dishes.
Let's try more phrases together. Repeat after us, okay?
I'm allergic to peanuts.
I'm vegetarian.
I don't eat beef.
Does this have milk?
Good job. You're learning fast.
Now, let's try a full conversation from beginning to end. You can imagine this with us.
Okay. You walk into a restaurant with a friend.
Good evening. Table for two?
Yes, please.
Follow me. Here's your table. Here's the menu.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water.
And are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken curry. Is it spicy?
A little bit spicy. Would you like it mild?
Yes, mild is good. And can I get it without onions?
Sure. One chicken curry, mild, no onions. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Later, after eating.
How was everything?
Delicious. Thank you. Could we get the bill?
Of course. Here you go.
Do you take cards?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'll pay by card.
Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.
That's a full, real-life restaurant conversation. It may feel long now, but if you practice, it becomes natural.
Yes. And don't worry if you make small mistakes. Just smile and try again.
Practice is everything. You can even go to a local cafe and try using English.
Or practice with a friend at home. Make a pretend menu and role play.
Actually, let's make a simple menu right now. Ready?
Okay, here's a small restaurant menu for our listeners. Simple English cafe menu. Appetizers. Garden salad, $4. Tomato soup, $3. Main courses. Chicken sandwich, $8. Pasta with tomato sauce, $7. Grilled fish with rice, $10. Desserts. Chocolate cake, $4. Ice cream, $3. Drinks. Water, free. Lemonade, $2. Hot tea, $2.
Now you can use this menu to practice ordering. Let's try it.
All right, I'll be the customer. Steven, you be the waiter.
Welcome to Simple English Cafe. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the pasta with tomato sauce and a hot tea, please.
Would you like any dessert?
Yes, I'll have the chocolate cake.
Great choice. That'll be $13.
Here's my card. Thank you.
Perfect. Now, let's switch roles. Your turn, listeners. Use your voice and try ordering something from the menu.
You can start like this. I'd like the chicken sandwich and lemonade, please.
Or, can I have the grilled fish with rice and water?
You're doing amazing. The more you say it out loud,
Let's practice using some questions you might hear in a restaurant.
good idea. Question. Would you like anything to drink?
Answer. Yes, a lemonade, please.
Question. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the pasta.
Question. Do you want dessert?
No, thank you.
See, you're learning so much already.
What if you don't understand what the waiter says?
Great point. You can say, sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Or, can you speak slowly, please? That's very helpful.
It's okay to ask. People will understand. Just be polite and smile.
So to review, the keys are greet the host or waiter, use polite phrases like I'd like or I'll have, ask questions if you're not sure, say please and thank you. Practice, practice, practice.
And don't forget, even if you're nervous, just take your time. Speak clearly and with confidence.
Right. And remember, people working in restaurants are used to helping. They'll try to understand you even if your English is not perfect.
That's true. And every time you practice, it gets easier.
So, next time you go out to eat, try speaking in English, even just a little. Order your food, ask a question, or say thank you. Every word helps.
And if you're at home, practice with a friend or even in front of a mirror.
You can also write your own script using today's vocabulary and role play it. That's a great speaking practice.
We hope today's episode gave you the confidence to order food in English.
You've learned a lot: how to ask for a table, how to order, how to ask questions, and even how to deal with problems politely.
That's right. And don't worry, making mistakes is part of learning.
Yes, keep practicing, keep speaking, and you'll do great.
Thanks for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.
And we'll see you again soon.
Bye.